Today's quick tip might just be the simplest yet most powerful strategy in your visibility toolbox. And it's all about leveraging other people's audiences to get yourself seen. Here's what most people get wrong about commenting. They either don't comment at all or they leave generic comments like great post that nobody notices. Strategic commenting is different. Here's how it works. Step 1, identify 3 to 5 accounts that have your ideal audience, but aren't direct competitors. Think complementary businesses, thought leaders in your space, even bigger accounts in your niche. Step 2, turn on notifications for these accounts so you know when they post. Step 3, be among the first to comment with what I like to call a value add comment. A value add comment does one of these 3 things: expands on their point with additional insights, shares a relevant personal experience that reinforces their message, and asks a thoughtful question that others would want to know the answer to. For example, if someone posts about email marketing tips, don't just say great tips. Instead, try that tip about subject lines resonated with me so much. I recently increased my open rates by 15% by adding personalization tokens to my subject lines. Has anyone else tried this approach? See how that adds to the conversation and positions you as knowledgeable? The magic happens when the original poster responds, which they often do, to thoughtful comment. Some will click on your profile out of curiosity. Your action step: leave 3 strategic value add comments today on accounts where your ideal clients hang out. Then screenshot and share one in our group. Remember, sis, sometimes the fastest way to visibility isn't creating more content. It's strategically showing up in spaces where your people already are. I can't wait to see your strategic comments today.